Okay, we met in Bucharest yesterday for the second additional workshop of the BRAVE project to prepare the training program for the transnational training, Intellectual Output 1. We used the same scheme, the same outline that we used in Valencia. So the only additional things that we need to highlight are the following. When we asked the participants were 5 unemployed people. When we asked them to build a dog, they did, and afterwards we also asked them to build a duck. So this was an addition compared to what we did in Valencia. And another important thing that was that we didn't only ask to clusterize the dogs, but we also linked the stories, and so it was a storytelling coming out from the different dogs' stories that were told by the participants. So it was very interesting also to let them understand how they can connect and how they can find possible connections and stories that are linked together to with the aim of creating a business that works, putting together the strengths also and the competencies or the points that came out from the dog created. The other addition that we made was what is value. So before doing the values exercises with the cards that we used last time and that we did, we asked the participants to build a model on what is value for them. So this is something that we can bring and we can keep into the program because it is absolutely valid. And then they did the same as last time.